way, the longest day of the year is over, so it should be getting, it's a long, complicated reason why there's a heat lag. After the longest day, which you think would be the hottest day, the heat lag comes after that. We'll explain what my brother straightens up. Okay, he's a hunchback. Okay, we're the folks who believe the Bible is true. Help us get more subscribers. Tell your friends, hey, please subscribe to that channel. We want to get over 200,000 this summer. Right? So do that. We believe God made everything in 6 days. What he said, everything, dinosaurs, everything in 6 days. What he said, in 6 days, the Lord made heaven and earth, the sea, and all, and in the midst. Yep, everything. Put in the 10 Commandments, wrote it on a rock with his finger. Yep. It's a sign between me and the children of Israel. In 6 days, the Lord made heaven and earth, made all, folks. Anyway, we believe the Bible is true, and evolution is the dumbest and most dangerous religious cult in the history of the world. I am feeling much better. I was sick the last 4 days, in bed most of the time, hot, fever, sweating, and I'm going to be drinking a lot of water tonight, so sorry about that. But I have 90% better. Okay. When a grown man dreams, he's related to a worm, a fern, a frog. It all came from an amoeba. He needs help. That all came from a dot of nothing exploding. But you guys really believe you came from a dot of near nothing or nothing exploding? Stop and think how dumb that is. When a grown man dreams a T-Rex turned into a chicken, it's time to get him some help. You can help us help it for free. Join our 777 Club. I like what they're doing. Come and help. We don't charge anything. People come stay for free, eat for free. The DrDino.com is our website. You can get on there if you like. So I want to help them get any donation makes the CSE, which is Creation Science Evangelism. If you can't give $1 a day, help us help. Okay. 228 baptized so far in our lakes, 7 side by side. So I think how many broke down now? Only 2. We're doing better. I drive them all the time, every day. I gave a tour today. I loved it. I love those tours. But the constant wear and tear on. So if you want to help us with that, please do. 140 acres. I love giving my part of the tour around there. We have 16 lakes and ponds you can fish or swim in. Most of our buildings are down here. We're in the Genesis Baptist Church right now. Did they post the video yet, Matt, about the... Oh, yeah. We're going to show it tonight. The video Sandra made. Okay, yeah, right. Here, Genesis Baptist Church. Here's our science center. Aerial view, 12,000 square feet of cool science experiments. Come eat for free in our dining hall. We don't need the seats in New York anymore. We did that. We still need somebody from Iowa coming down to bring an engine. Donating a 350 engine. We need a couple of them. Coming through Dallas. Want to pick up a load of stuff? Please do. We got a whole load. Stuff being donated to the ministry. Come on, give me a call. Okay. Let's see. No, I don't want to do that. Let's see. Boot camp coming up next week. 1 week. BeatBob.com. Had to back out. He had something's conflict in his schedule, so he will not be coming. We'll get him here again. Bob Holmes, the one-man volleyball team. Great guy. So you can come visit our boot camp and hear the speakers and the 4th of July fireworks. Get our video series on science and the Bible, 18 hours for $50. It'll really help strengthen your faith. Or a series on what the Bible says about the future. What on earth is about to happen. It's coming like a freight train. I think it already started. Anybody else just kind of get that feeling like this is it? It started. We're in it. Yeah. Okay. The Atheist Junior, I was going to do last Wednesday night. I was sick and could not. And I thought it was moved to tonight, so I don't have my calendar fixed for tonight. So this is just comments on comments. AJ posted something on one of his channels or something. Somebody sent it to me that I backed out because I was afraid of him. Oh, brother. Are you in for a surprise, AJ? Yeah. No, I'm not the least bit afraid. Okay. Not at all. I'm afraid of it. Right. I got to update my July calendar. I got a bunch of debates scheduled for July now. So anyway, help us out. There's AJ. Oh, I'm not afraid at all. Look at this. I'm living rent-free in his head, though. He does all kinds of videos about me. Rent-free. He does it when I'm not there to defend myself. Yeah, good. Okay, AJ, I'll defend myself. Your brain left. He moved in. Rent-free. Here I am. Okay. Let's see. I'd like all of you to help me on this. I'd like to get everybody who teaches evolution to be challenged, to come to a debate. I'm not looking for a fight. I'm looking for the truth to be shown, okay? So write to your professor, neighbor, anybody who believes in evolution, and say, look, I know you believe this theory. Would you be willing to defend this theory in a fair debate with a man who does not believe it on Standing for Truth YouTube channel? You go first, present the very best evidence you know of for why you believe all forms of life have a common ancestor, or why you believe any plant or animal has evolved. Dr. Ken Hovind will get equal time to rebut. Simple rules. One topic only. Equal time for each side. No interrupting. No cursing. Standing for Truth channel has already hosted many debates like this. They've been very fair. Watch them to see what you think. Anyway, copy some red letter, something like this. Give to anybody that you believe that teaches evolution. If I don't hear from you in 3 weeks, I'm going to assume your answer is no. We're going to add your name to the list, the growing list at Standing for Truth. Okay. We believe intelligent people can take clay out of the earth and shape it into millions of things like pottery. I don't think the pottery can make itself, though. But a man can take the clay and make the pottery. Yeah, they can take clay and shape it into coffee cups, dolls, bricks, all kinds of things out of clay. Intelligent people can get iron ore out of the earth, mine it, smelt it down. We got iron ore on our property here, and they can turn it into steel. They can then roll it or shape it or beat it or weld it and do all kinds of things to it and turn it into a bazillion different parts and make a lot of stuff out of steel. Cars, yeah, trains, all kinds of stuff made out of steel. That doesn't mean the steel can make itself. Okay? God can take dust from the ground and make man. It doesn't mean the dust can make itself like you evolutionists believe. Make itself into a man. Yeah, okay. Human body's really complicated. We'll talk about that some other time. Unbelievably complex. You really think it happened by chance? Really? 1 square inch of skin on your body is more complex than the whole internet network of the world. 1 square inch. You are crazy to believe it happened by chance. But you can believe that if you want. Okay, we're going to get to God TV Radio. Brett Keane, a good friend, has done some good video I didn't know about with my wife Sandra. This is great. Is this display now, brother? Do I hit it? Next slide. Hit play. Hi. Oh, can I pause it? Okay, I will. I'll start again, but I'm going to say something first. People complain and gripe all the time. Somebody donated the house to us. A few weeks after we got the property, the whole house was donated. It cost $6,000 to move it 2 miles from South Lenox to North Lenox. And then the inside was unfinished. They were building it, so unfinished. Well, the guy called me from somewhere. He said, "Bro, I'm remodeling a multi-millionaire's house. She got all new kitchen cabinets. Would you like all the old cabinets?" I said, "Yeah." So I got all the old kitchen cabinets for free. I put $125 for the countertop. I built it myself out of 1x12 pine. It always looks like a rich man's house. You know, we got it for free, almost free, $125.
Hi, my name is Sandra Hogan, and I just wanted to give you an insight of me and my husband and where we live. I want to introduce me as how I really am, and I want to give you an insight on how my husband lives. And this is our home. He can show you the kitchen. This is our humble home. I think the best we can, and I love my home. And I'll take you into our bedroom. I love fresh and flowers and everything pretty. And just I love our home. I love that simple. Beautiful tea. That's a big bite out of the wall. That's everything about it. And this is our backyard. This is where we like to have ocean sometimes. It's pretty good.
Hey, come on in. How do you
I just wanted to introduce everybody. This is where we work for It's so beautiful. And so we made all of these jobs. This is an intro over here, part of the crew. This is Rex.
Good evening. I'd like to welcome you to JL. It's the campaign this hall. As I'm looking at the roof, one of the stay with me. Now, this is not bad. Not heading up. You don't do that right here. This looks all right? Welcome to the club and enjoy.
Has a queen size bed, and then has a shower, and it's just very homey. I really love this home. Favorite place on my very first date with him was in California. I love it.
should probably turn his microphone up on.
Please stand up. Part of the barn tour. I'm going to sneak up on my husband. So I don't want to interrupt him. But he is sitting for the second tour for today. Sometimes he gets to one day.
Anyway, I had no idea Sandra was making the video, but I did a good job. Rex, you did the call. Yeah, okay. How would you find you a wife? Right, about that call. 15 feet. Okay. So here's some comments on this one. I do comments on Friday typically. And so people commented on this one, posted on Brett Keene's TV radio, since they involve Sandra and our ministry FIA. I'll read his comments, and boy, he gets some doozies. Sandra said, at the moment, Brett, I'm tickled by your humor. Your words made me feel so beautiful. Your insight into life circumstance and discernment are what I admire. I do see a good man. I know God has special things planned for the man He designed you to be, because I can see your kind, beautiful heart. Anyway, Brett has done quite a few shows. I strongly disagree with his cursing and swearing, but I think he loves the Lord and is trying to do what's right. He's really been a great blessing. Great. Somebody said, yes, I agree. There's too much bitterness on YouTube. Yeah, I agree with that. Okay, you got a good heart, Brett. Let's see, Stephanie said, personally, I don't care about the Hopens have a camera in their room. Somebody commented when Sandra showed the beautiful bedroom. There's a video camera, security camera, up on one of the windowsills aiming toward the door, the bedroom door. And so they said, you got a security camera in your bedroom? Yeah. Okay. Was I supposed to get somebody's permission for that, Chris? I'm supposed to get your permission. Too bad. Tough. Forget it. I don't have to do it. All right, anyway. Personally, I don't care if the Hopens have a camera in their room. They're adults and can do whatever they want in the privacy of their home. I had to take my family to DIL someday. I told my wife if we stay more than a couple days, he'd be prepared to work. LOL. Because they're feeding us and housing us and all that. I expect to work and pay them back. The Bible says those who don't work don't eat. Some don't get it. They think they come here, oh, free house, free food, free utilities. What a deal. No. That's for the visitors who come, that we're ministered to later. For those who are helping to come build, he helps build. Okay. Was that thing in the bedroom on the top right side of the window look like a video camera of sorts? I said, it is. We get threats from haters once in a while. And there are some idiots out there, so we record everyone who comes on or near the property for our security. Is that okay with you? By the way, if they come, they're going to have a lot more of a surprise waiting for them than just a video camera. Okay, let's see. Fine with me, Ken. I love cameras and mics. Standing for truth. Donnie, been on there a bunch of times. They're filled with jealousy, and so they will try to find anything to complain about. It's really sad. Sal's a prime example. Hey, Sal, if you want to reach as many people as you can, go do the work. Not complicated. Go buy a gravel pit someplace and build your own camp. They want me to do all the work here, and then they just take it. Sorry, no. Okay. Oh, I can't mention the name here. Wrote, Ken Hovind did not make all those shelves in the bookstore. Nye and Tarazi made those shelves. That was a 3-second comment which she gave the two that I don't think anybody heard or understood or cared about. She picked up on it. Okay. Let's see. Right here. She said, Sandra, tell the truth. No one stays for free. Kent requires 40 hours per week, plus labor, plus morning meetings, plus evening Bible studies, plus random extra tours. You have no free time. I think there's 168 hours in a week, so 40 would only be less than a quarter of the week. No, we don't keep time clock at all. Anyway. Oh, something less than that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Standing for Truth Road, 40 hours. Is that it? Hard workers don't complain about 40 hours a week, especially when it's for the Lord. Brett, my wife and I work for more hours. I also spend too many blank hours listening to people complain. He does do that a lot. Standing for Truth. Exactly. I run a full-time ministry and it's easily 12 hours a day. Kent's an incredibly hard worker, and that's why he's helped bring countless people to Christ with his ministry, debates, seminars, etc. The biggest anti-Kent Hovind complainers are simply just disgruntled ex-volunteers who have some kind of childish personal vendetta. Bingo, you got it. They're so obsessed with Kent that their obsession is keeping them from actually doing work for the Lord. That's what I don't understand. I read their channels once in a while. Somebody sends me a link. Don't you have anything to do for the Lord? One guy, Mark, said he was going to leave here and go to Washington to start a ministry to help disabled vets. So Ernie, our trustee, who loves the ministry and loves the Lord and makes money on different things, he gave him personally wrote a check out for $5,000. Here you go, Mark, go start your ministry. I keep asking him in the comments on his channel, where'd the money go? How many vets have you helped? What have you done with that? He'll change the subject, by the way. Yeah, okay. Let's see, I'm obsessed with Kent. Let's see, okay. So I commented about the lady right here at the top. Always negative, always critical. What a sad way to go through life. I didn't tell her to make this video, talking about Sandra. I didn't tell her that I made the shelves. I enjoy life. I've been trying for 53 years to love and serve my Lord. I started DAL, and it's gifts from people who love God and income from my intellectual property that pays for everything around here. Isn't it? It's the sale of our videotapes, the sale of... I've written 67 books. How many books have you written? I've made 15 million DVDs. My son, Ken Andrew, is here. He's been in the ministry since he was born. You ran the video duplication. Videos, not only videos, DVDs, we made millions of them. We're trying to reach the world with the gospel. And people like my intellectual property. If you don't like it, go somewhere else, okay? Some of you don't produce anything that anybody wants, and you complain that you don't have anything. Stop and think. Okay. Anyone's welcome to come. Number 6. If they don't, Number 6. If they don't like how we do it, go get your own gravel pit, make your own ministry, and show us how it should be done. But don't try to take over this one. That's what we've had, 4 different people that want to take over. I'm going to come in and tell you how to run the place. I'm going to put my family in as trustees. And, no, sorry. No, sorry, not. The comments about 40-hour week and no free time gave me a great laugh, coming from one who was never at morning meetings or kept any schedule, or certainly never put in 40 hours a week other than personal needs, hours and hours in the bathroom, and doesn't even have a job now. By the way, 40 hours is 24% of the week, 128 more hours in the week. Redeem the time, Ephesians 5. I get up early, work fast, work hard, work smart, get lots done with my days and weeks and life. It brings joy and happiness and fulfillment to life. I'm extremely happy. You ever see the movie, Chris, Cheaper by the Dozen years ago? There's 2 of them. There's a new one they did, but there's an old original one. That one, as a kid, influenced me profoundly to try to use every second wisely. When I'm getting ready to take a shower, first thing I do is turn the hot water on so it's warming up the pipe from the heater to there while I'm getting undressed. By the time I'm in there, it's ready to go. I get in there, take a shower, wash my hair twice, wash every square inch of my body, and shave in 2 or 2.5 minutes, and get out. For one, I'm paying for hot water, so that's important. 2, I got other things to do than stand in the shower all day. Some of you don't have anything to do, and you wonder why you never get anything done in life, and nobody wants to support you. Okay, you live your life however you want. I'm trying to please God. I think Judgment Day is going to say, Kent Hovind, I gave you this much ability, and you did this much. What happened in here, son? What are you doing for the Lord? I said, Brett, I got nothing to do with this video. Sandra made it on her own. She's an amazing wife, and just to help meet any man in his right mind would want. The previous wives who left me for no reason except they couldn't get control of the ministry, property, and finances. They created their own problems. I was nothing but kind and loving and never yelled or hit or forced my will on them. If any man can find a wife as godly and dedicated and drop-dead gorgeous as Sandra, they will understand what a patch of heaven on earth we have here. Makes me feel like I'm in my 20s again. Chris, you're one of the trustees. Take a note. I want a smiley face on my tombstone. Okay. She's younger than I am. Okay, let's see. Love the video. You met my little one at Camp Flory. Really looking forward to taking the girls to DAL before the summer is over. Thank you, Mrs. Hovind, for the video. Help see the experience better. Bless you all. I'd love to support you in breast ministry. Okay, thank you. Let's see, Sandra said, I look forward to meeting you. I love talking to all the children at Camp Flory. We just went down there last week on the trip in Haines City. So did Ken. Wow, what a testimony. Having a companion and helpmate like Sandra's a dream come true. Right, guys? Get one like this and you're going to be rich. Rex, you didn't find one yet, did you? Okay. You wanted a smart one, though, didn't you? Oh, I got it.
Sounded like that is what it sounded like.
Let me back that all here. Okay. I said, so true. This one seems genuine. God bless her and her family. Yep, okay. So you go to volunteer at DAL to bring glory to God. It's not for a free ride. That's correct. We're not building this place so everybody can come live here and I can feed them. That's not why we're doing it. You can't understand that? I can't help you, okay? I really can't.